Spiderlings, the baby spiders. Here you are observing a cluster of baby spiders crowd together in their webs. Spiders are air-breathing arthropods that have 8 limbs, can extrude silk with their spinnerets. Spiders have at least 6 types of silk gland, each producing a different type of silk. Females lay up to 3000 eggs in one or more silk egg sacs. In some species, the female die afterwards. But females of other species protect the sacs by attaching them to their webs. Baby spiders pass all their larval stages inside the egg sac and emerge as spiderlings, very small and sexually immature but similar in shape to adults.